What is up, guys? Got to show you this. We already got the sides done. Couldn't wait. Got that purple Lolo up in there. About to head over to Leo's house. Take off these front panels up in here. Take these bad boys off right there and wrap them with some purple. We got that with us right now. Got a couple rolls in the back of this good old fun stuff Vivid Plus Premium Series, the matte metallic purple. So let's hit the road. What do we have here? Got a little friend. They made good friends. What's up, my man?
What's up? How you doing, man?
Chillin', chillin'.
2 ones in the house.
Yes, sir. God, I love that blue. Time to make all this purple. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts on the top. There's one bolt right about here in the back. It comes up. Make sure I got it right there. We go. Right there. 3 clips down the side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 clips on the bottom. Something like that.
There's 6 on the bottom.
6 on the bottom.
3 on the side, and
3 on each side, and then
2 10 mils on the sides.
2 10 mils on the sides. And now, the red piece, you got some clips up in here. We're gonna carefully remove those and separate that red trim.
The last thing I want to do is snap it in half.
Greatly appreciated. So, this is the process we're going through right now.
This is the same one you got stuck in right here.
Slowly pushing them out. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19 clips to remove the red panel. Now time to clean it up. sample on one of them done. And in the midst of everything, Leo got some goodies.
You're gonna see them in a minute. Let's get them in here.
What are these, buddy?
All right. Oh, there's another box.
Just tease you with boxes on boxes. I'm gonna fold those down.
Boy.
Got a whole AFE build going on. And some big old meaty Johnnies over here.
Sparkle center cap. Thank you, sir. Alright, I'm gonna undress you now. Ooh.
Damn, buddy. Those things are sexy.
That's sexy right there.
Mm-hmm.
Authentic shit.
Sparkle cap in there. Oh, these are nice. Those are really nice. Got some race wheels. What are these?
These are Federal RS Pro tires.
235.
235, 35, 19s. These are some juicy bad boys.
These are the same 8.5s?
These are 18s. These are 18s by 8.
Oh,
Yes.
they're 18s.
Yeah, I mean, 19s.
Okay.
Sorry.
I was like, whoa.
Oops.
I was like, those are 19 tires. You're gonna put, those don't fit, bud.
Those are my next ones. But these are 19s by 8 with an offset of 45.
Okay.
Weighing in at 22 pounds per wheel. So they are light.
Yeah, that's nowhere near the stock.
That's very light.
I'm just excited to hear what that sounds like.
Once I get it installed, hopefully.
And that downpipe. Woo! I got the whole AFE build going on. Got them all done. Got my man Leo here to model them.
You could to do a before and after. Look at the red ones.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. So obviously I left the clips just red because they're clipping. Somebody's calling me, so I'm gonna take that. Be right back. Cool. I'm gonna take these bad boys, pop them in.
That actually looks better already.
Oh my God, it looks so good. Just so smoothly fits in there.
And God, it was take out.
I know. That's how it always goes. Sometimes it's easier to put in than get out. Not with cars.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
I just don't know if it's like fully clipped. I think it is.
I see a little dent here. I don't think on the You might have to look on the back.
Yeah, we'll flip it over after we pop it off.
Here's the other one.
Whew, that looks, oh, that looks clean.
Not only does it look clean, it looks so cool and different.
Oh, I love it. Make sure they all line up. There we go. Just making sure that with the extra vinyl and everything that it's not creating a gap. So let's flip this bad boy over.
These didn't go through.
Yeah, it was the same on this side. So with them, the best way I've found, push from the back, kind of pull on those tabs like right there. So we're gonna do this, use both hands real quick. Let's see what he's doing real quick.
Pushing it from one side.
Yeah, you gotta kind of pull up on it a little bit.
These,
and then
I got pliers if you want to like.
Yeah, that might actually work well. Just to make sure they're secured, because I don't want this falling off on the highway or anything.
I doubt that they'll come off with the other clips, but better safe than sorry.
Yeah, we'll be right back with you guys in a second. Right, we got the purple, all nice and clean. Here's the purple, and for comparison, the red. Kind of both in the same shot there. Woo! It's just fire.
I like it.
God, it's hot outside.
And now it's the humidity with the rain is not helping.
Woo! Don't move to Florida, folks. Don't move to Florida.
Actually, yes, do move to Florida. This is the only state that doesn't require a front license plate, and it doesn't do emission testing, so you can modify your car as much as you want.
Yeah, it's just hot as fuck.
Just hot as fuck. Sorry, but if you're a car player person, this is where you want to be.
Yeah, Florida's like, just have like a relative move to Florida.
Yeah. Daddy, your wheels are very dirty.
The wheels?
Yeah, the wheels.
Oh yeah, brake dust like.
You know why, right? You know these cars have race brake pads, right? And you know they're very pricey to replace, right? But you hit something. That's cool. Welcome to the club.
Oh, yeah, fun story for you.
You hit me.
Let me make sure this camera's on it, because this is a fun story.
Because if you look at mine, I have the same thing. And actually, this got scratched too.
Promotional advertisement for Dick's Sporting Goods. They just got really good chairs.
Yeah.
I just realized that it has like the big Dick's Sporting Goods logo right in front. I'm like,
Next thing that you know, the people who watch the video are gonna say that we're dick lovers.
Mom is a weird dick lover.
Make funnies.
Okay, so yeah, scratches underneath. I was in a parking lot, and I was in a parking lot in Tennessee.
So it was on your road trip.
On the road trip. I had just woken up. I was in a Dick's Sporting Goods. No, not Dick's Sporting Goods actually. It was
Ironically.
what's the other sporting goods place?
The Academy?
No. Bass Pro Shop.
Bass Pro Shop.
Good old Bass Pro Shop. By the way, if you ever need a place to stay, Bass Pro Shop actually...
Lets you stay in their RVs?
No, you can stay there in anything. Every Bass Pro Shop, nobody will ever get kicked out. If you're ever out fishing and drinking or whatever, they suggest that you go to a Bass Pro Shop, and they suggest their customers to go and stay the night there.
Huh.
If you cannot drive, have somebody drive to there. So yeah, we were at a Bass Pro Shop parking lot, like where we had stayed the night at. And
Hold on thought.
So I'm gonna bring you guys down here. This is what we're talking about, some little scratches. Ooh, that purple looks beautiful. Oh, that's so mean. Just to go alongside with the purple in there. Good old shark boy. Yeah, so
Sorry
put it like this. No, you're good. Roommate came by, dropped off some food for you. We were in Bass Pro Shop parking lot. We'd gone in, grabbed some goodies. We had left there. We're about to leave there. The entire parking lot, okay, mind you, the entire parking lot did not have parking spaces. Like, it had parking spaces, but it didn't have those parking bricks, you know, the little cement ones, except for one single line of parking. So when I look in front of me, I see that the entire parking lot does not have the little brick parking spaces.
So you assume.
So my thought was, I can just drive forward. I'm half asleep. We had been on the road for quite a bit, sleeping in the car. Now, I assumed I could just go forward, and I started to pull forward, and I drove right over the thing and had to back up and had like 30 people looking at me because it had just opened, and like everybody's going in to go get their like fishing and hunting supplies because we're in Tennessee and everybody does that.
And they see this one guy.
It's a busy place there.
With a Florida license plate.
The one guy, Florida man over here, and the only guy in a sports car there. Everyone else has like trucks and like four-wheel drive off-road utility vehicles and everything else, and I'm the only guy in a sports car, which everybody already saw me as an asshole driver because I'm from Florida and I'm in a sports car running over a parking spot. Yeah, it's fun times, fun times. Clean.
Good.
Time to drive home in this rain.
It's heading up.
God knows it's about to be pouring real bad. Edit all this, post it up. Go ahead, like this video. If you're not already, subscribe to us. Great White N. Hit us up on Instagram. Or me, not us. Just me in the car. She is her own beauty. Yeah, like this video. If you're not already, subscribe to us. Comment down below on what your thoughts are and how it came out. And stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you guys.